everyone, my name is Mr. Kaiga and today I'm going to be showing you all how to fix the muffledness of a Realtek HD audio headphones or one that's plugged into, your computer. So first things first, you plug in your headphones and this prompt will typically pop up for most of you, the Realtek HD Audio Manager. From here, you select headphones, press OK, and honestly from here you don't really change anything. It probably will give you this. It'll pretty much tell you that your headphones might be too quiet and it's boosted it. That doesn't matter. In here you can change how it wants, if it's in the right ear, if it's in the left ear, how loud it is from here. That's not important at all. Rest of it you just leave as is. This is the audio quality. You can change it in your audio settings like normal as well. I'm not going to change it, and yeah, so all of this is not the reason for the muffledness, so you can just close it or minimize it. I'm probably going to minimize it. What is the issue though is if you right click your little speakers thing here, if you right click it and you click on sounds here, it'll give you this prompt, and you go to communications, and on here it'll say reduce the volume of others by 80% while when you're using a PC to place or receive telephone calls. Sometimes it falsifies it for some reason, I don't know. Like mine was pretty messed up, like when I was trying to watch YouTube for example, it apparently, I guess, thought I was placing or receiving a call. So here you can just press do nothing, press apply, and that should fix your issue. For me, it's fixed for me. I'm not sure if it fixes for everyone, and it's completely normal. But yeah, I'm not sure if there's any other solutions, but for me this is the one that worked the best and that actually worked, because just earlier I was just having this issue and I tried that. When I saw it in my options, I disabled it, and then I tried it and it was working perfectly fine. But yeah, also future me, if you're watching this, you should be thankful to me for recording this, because you're probably gonna need it. I can tell. But yeah, I hope it helps all of you with whatever issues you may be having, and I hope this is the solution you are looking for. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye.